this is a disclaimer before you get started on this cruise video. You're welcome. For those of you guys that like to watch these on your phone, all right, it doesn't matter. But if you're watching on TV like me, or laptop or computer, listen, if you're going to do a room tour, of anything really, film this way. Everyone at home will appreciate it that's trying to watch on TV. Film it like that, that's only good for Facebook and TikTok. All right, and when you post it on YouTube, come on, put it right there. All right, let's take a look at room at 7319. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to the Carnival Horizon. This is cabin number 7319. And as you first walk into the ship or into the your cabin here, you're going to see this right here. That's what you're going to see. This door right here goes to the bathroom, and then this way right here goes into your vanity. Let's walk in here first. Has a little stool right here. Little stool just right here. You'll have your safe. It's kind of hard to see, but it's there. You have your plug-ins. Got two plug-ins right there. You have drawers. It has hair dryer right there, and then regular drawers about that deep. So then two more, and these are your closet areas. You'll have hangers. I do suggest to bring extra hangers. It's always nice to have a little extra, especially if there's multiple parties in there with you. Sometimes we'll double up. You also have some over here as well, a couple of robes. So there's some dressers or some hangers, and then some storage space right up here for what have you, or whatever. And then on this side, more drawers, and that should light up. Maybe it's not. Okay, it's not. All right, and then that side's blank over here on this side. So switches, you have switches for your lights, okay, and also a switch. This switch goes into the bathroom, so your switch will turn on and off the light in your bathroom from the outside. So here is your sinks. His and her, yes, that's what I believe, his and her. Yeah, that's what I believe. I said it. Oh, by the way, can I just say something right now? No, I'll say it later. You have a toilet, you have a bidet. I never could figure out the bidet thing, and I'm not going to try to. This is in a grand suite. This is what you get. You get a tub, okay, and a shower, and this tub is actually pretty big. It's a pretty big tub. Not long, but big. So it lets you get a good look. Oh, by the way, if you wanted to hang up, it's hard to reach, but you gotta get in there. But little clothesline comes in and hangs right there. So bathing suits, whatnot, wet clothes. So, and then you have plug in right there. Plug in right there, and you have some, there's trash, and there we go. Get a good look around. Okay. All right, so walk out of the bathroom, and then you walk in. This is what makes a grand suite a grand suite. This is the size of your room. All right, so you have your bed over here, which is a king size, basically two twin size. They can be separated. And then you have a living area, and this is very extremely comfortable. This thing right here, you will love it. And then the TV, it swivels. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because this is how we usually do it. This is not our first time in the Grand Suite, but it is the first time in the Grand Suite on the Horizon. I'm trying not to say Vista because this is like the last few cruises we've been on the Vista. All right, so over here, got another little vanity area. This is, you know, you got all sorts, you know, little drawers. Another stool right there that pulls out. And then this is your fridge. This is your fridge. So you can get it open. Maybe get it open. Oh, it opens that way. That's your fridge. That's your fridge. And then as far as plugins go, you have two USB right here. Oh, there we go. Two regular. Yeah, and then these things right here, you can scan on your phone, and you can look at them and you need to have room service. So these light up. No, there's no cords, or I mean no plug-ins for phones or anything over here. And yeah, and then on this side, obviously, comfortable chair, comfortable couch. Oh, let's turn this on. There you go. And these are the curtains. Sometimes you gotta look at the curtains. They're kind of stuck because she's outside. Let's look at this one. And the reason why this is important, to me at least, is because finally the Horizon has gotten away from the Whataburger colors. If you know what I'm talking about, the Whataburger colors for the curtains. So let's go step outside. And this is the balcony view. One thing you'll notice is that on other ships at the Grand Suite, you'll have a cushion on the lounger, but not on this ship. So keep that in mind if you're used to having that. But you do have a lounger, and that's paint. This is recently painted. And then on the other side over here, you have a couple of chairs. These are different than what I'm used to. Those look kind of nice. They're kind of rounded. But this is your view. This is Miami, Port of Miami here. This is our first time at Miami. This is that's deck 5 down there that you see. And there's the front of the ship, up yonder, and the back of the ship, back that way. Again, Port of Miami. It's a beautiful area and all that. So appreciate you guys watching. And hopefully you guys got a little bit of something out of it. We tried to keep a little bit of the humor out of this one. We tried to, anyway, try to keep it serious. Anyways, stay tuned for more cruise videos. 73.